Geek Tank Games Kickstarter 2D Minis unboxing. I've already taken out all the packing materials because there was lots of it. So first up, we get a Geek Tank Games sticker. That'll go nicely on the back of my new laptop. Second up, the pack of bases. Quite a few of the standard 25mm sizes, plus several of the large ones as well. 16 total in 3 different sizes. 8 standard, 5 2-inch and 3 of the larger, look like 3-inch across ones. This pack isn't one of the named packs, so I'm guessing this might be the legendaries. So we've got front and backs of various creatures, and they just pop out of those and slot into the things. That's cool, that's a Remore house, that's quite cool because they appear in the Icewind Dale that's coming up shortly. Some feral wolves, some sort of elemental creatures, sharks if you're playing Ghost of Saltmarsh, useful for that. Frost giant, purple worm, what looks like minotaurs. Fire giant with the double shields. I think they were called fire giant dreadnoughts if memory serves. Another frost giant, fire elemental, and what looks like a purple worm going in and out of the ground. And there we've got, it's like a large gorilla, troll, some sort of flying dragon man, and a large, some sort of giant I would guess you could use him for. Cool. And then the other packs, they come in these sealed packets, so we'll go with the Urban Town set first. As you can see, they're quite snug in the packet. They've got a seal on. So you've got what look to be, could be a door, but actually no, it's a mimic. Hounds, figures, a nice mix to be honest. Dungeon scenery, barrels. So yeah, that's not too bad for something different. Rather than get them all out, I'm just going to do these and I'll get some photos later when I do take them open. The Undead set comes with zombies, ghouls, skeletons, wraiths, vampires, a ghost rider and a graveyard elemental. That could be interesting. Ah, this is the legendary. I think the other one's just a bonus set then. So dragon, demon lord, fire giant with hellhound, dragon turtle and kraken. The Wildlands set. Gnolls, goblins, orcs, all the fun things that you like to throw at your players at low levels. With an owlbear as well. The Underdark, myconids, ropers, spiders, durgars, drow, aboleth, and I can see gelatinous cubes in there as well, so all good fun. And the heroes. Humans, gnomes, dragonborn, elves, dwarves. I'm guessing just about anything that we use as player characters should be in there. Cool.